Tigger, you want a treat? You want a treat? Look. Sit down. No, Tigger. 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 Fucking cat Tigger. Do you want a treat? Sit down. Tigger. Sit. Sit, Tigger. No, get out of the treats. Stupid cat. Tigger. Come over here, look. Back up. Back up. Come here. Come here, look. Tigger. It's right here. Tigger. No. Sit. Sit. No. Sit down. Tigger, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Fucking cat. Sit down. Messy eater. Okay. Ready? You gonna sit down? No. Tigger. Tigger. I don't think so. Look. Get down, Tigger. Look. Sit. Sit. No. 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 Sit. Hey. Tigger. Here. Tigger, sit down. Good boy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Good boy. Tigger. Tigger. Rain, what are you doing? Rain, no. Tigger. Sit down. Tigger. No. Tigger, sit down. Sit down. Bless you. Now sit down. Get out the bed. No, sit. Tigger, look. It's in my hand. No, sit down. Sit down. Tigger. Sit. Look. Sit down. Tigger, sit down. Sit down. Tigger, sit. Sit, no. Get away from the camera. Tigger. Tigger. Damn cat. Tigger. Look. Look, look. Come on. Lazy ass. Lazy. Look. No, you're supposed to look. No, look. Tigger. Look. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. Now clean up my bed. Rain. Rain.
I've noticed that a lot of other moisturizers make my skin oily or they don't moisturize it enough. But green tea
What are you doing?
I love the green tea moisturizer.
Rain.
It's so light,
Rain.
it's nice and healthy.
Fucking rain cat. Stop cleaning yourself. Stop it. Stop it. Mommy doesn't have any more, Tigger. Say hi. Oh. Oh, say hi. Say hi. Tigger. 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 Say hi. It's my kitties. Tigger. 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 I'm a mama's boy. Look.
smart skincare and part of the new proactive system. Say goodbye to blemishes and dry skin. Call 1-800-220-0699. We'll pay the shipping and handling. You'll have our 60-day money-back guarantee. Call 1-800-220-0699.
Up. Right here, look. Right in front of you. Right in front of you. Whoosh. Gimme. No, gimme. Ah. It's a broken hanger. And you have more entertainment with it. Chico boy. Fucker. Don't bite me. Fucker. Fucker. Ow. Ow. See, look, my... Come here. My tail looks like I look like a tiger. Sorry, my name's Tigger. Huh. What? 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 Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. I'll poke you. I'll poke you. I'll poke. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Fetch. Good boy, Tigger.
Don't be a patsy. Learn a better way at drugfree.org.
Ah.
You would know if it's to the clinic, that would be awesome. Everything about point pens. So I need any of these items for today's challenge of Hollywood Boulevard. And
Come on, let's do staring contest, kitty. Come on, kitty. Ready? Ready, Tigger? Bart. Not the camera. Let go. No, Tigger. That's my baby. My baby. She's 5 months old, bitch.